Good evening, candidates that are going to sit for their final examination this year, 2024. And I have a question here that I want us to take ourselves through. This is a question that has actually been extracted from a topic called rates of work, and of course, mixtures and proportions. And we are told that there's a swimming pool that can actually get emptied by three pipes, P, Q, and R. If they're working together, the three pipes can empty the swimming pool in 3 and 3/4 hours. If P and Q are working alone, they can take 7.5 and 11.25 hours respectively. So the question asks us to get the time pipe R working alone would take to empty the same swimming pool. So I'm going to first summarize the question. So I have three pipes, P, Q, and R. So this pipe P, so you have pipe P, that is the first one to look at. So pipe P, pipe Q, and pipe R. We are told this pipe working alone can take 7.5 hours to empty the whole swimming pool. We are told that Q can take 11.25 hours to empty this same swimming pool, and R can take the unknown time that the question wants us to get. So if you look at this question, it actually demands that we get the time R can take to empty the whole swimming pool if it is working alone. But you are told that if the three pipes are working together, they can take a whooping 3 and 3/4 hours to have the whole swimming pool empty. So what are we going to do here? We need to know this. We can first say that P can take, so we can actually write these hours which are given as mixed fractions in form of improper fractions. So you can say 2 times 7, that is 14, plus 1, that gives us 15/2. Then we have Q, it can actually take 4 times 11, that is 44, plus 1, 45. So we have 45/4. Then the last one is R, that you don't know. But these three working together can be able to take, so 4 times 3, that is 12, plus 3, that is 15. So they can take 15/4 to have the whole swimming pool empty. Now, how do you know the amount of work that a particular pipe or a particular person can work? If rates of work can get considered in this discussion, you'll come here and say, of course, it's just easy. You'll come here and say, work done by the three pipes will be the reciprocal of time taken. So just get the reciprocal of the time taken for me to know the work done by the three. So for example, if they are taking 15/4, then that means the work they can do is the reciprocal of that, which gives us 4/15. That's the work the three can do if they're working together. But now we are told that P can take 15/2 hours. So the work it can do is 2/15. Correct? Then we shall say plus the work that Q can do, which is 4/45. So if I've been given the time taken for a particular pipe to work, or even tap, to fill or empty a particular container or tank or even a swimming pool, I can just get the reciprocal of that time taken for me to get the work it can do. So the work it can do in 1 hour is 2/15. The work this can do in 1 hour is 4/45. The work the three can do in 1 hour is 4/15. So the work they can do, if they're all working, the three of them, less the work the two can do, should give us the work that the other one can actually be able to do in 1 hour. So let's see. So we're going to have 4/15. Check with this pen. 4/15 less, let's see, those two pipes, that is P and Q, can do how much work in 1 hour if they're working together? So you have 2/15 plus 4/45. That gives us 2/9. So they can do 2/9 of the work. they're working together. So let's get the difference. We can be able to know how much work the other one can do in 1 hour. So 4 over 15 less the answer. That gives us 2 over 45. So R alone can do 2 over 45. Okay? So this is the work it can do. So how do I get the time it can take? You just get the reciprocal of that. So it's going to be 45 over 2. And this gives us 22 and a half hours. So that is the time that R can take to empty the swimming pool. And the work it can do is 2 over 45. But the time it can take is 45 over 2. The reciprocal of that can give us the answer. So if it works 2 over 45 in 1 hour, it can actually take the reciprocal of that as time to empty the whole tank or the whole swimming pool. It gives us 45 over 2. If I divide this, 2 into 45 is 22. That is 44 remainder 1, so we shall say 1 over 2. So it can take 22 and a half hours to empty the whole swimming pool. Thank you so much for your time and have a blessed night.